foolish prick! You got lucky, buddy!
Hey, Michael.
David. Well, isn't this nice? You didn't tell me we were double dating. Sorry, guys. This burning hunk of love is all mine.
Brilliant! Steve Haynes, amigo, but you probably knew that already.
Sorry.
You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Come on. The Bureau owns a lot out in East LS, Covington Supplies off El Rancho. Can you take us there?
Yeah, sure. Sounds nice and secluded. Kind of place you'd run an off-the-books operation, huh?
So what?
So I bet federal ain't on the deed, that's so. And we all like our federal government open and transparent.
Except when closed and opaque suits you better.
Hey, I'm just a puppet. You're the one pulling the strings. Tell me, Davey, you expense this ride to the taxpayer?
I need you to make a couple of calls. Get some people on board. First guy is Franklin Clinton.
Hey, I barely know that kid. He's fixing up my car.
Call him, or we'll send some G-men to his aunt's house.
Okay. Okay.
Michael, this ain't the best time. I'm kinda busy.
Hey, sorry about that. Listen, you know that thing we talked about before? It's happening. I need you to come to a lot off El Rancho, not far from where we met before.
All right, that's cool. I'm in LS anyway.
Now, Trevor Phillips.
Oh, you're crazy. I ain't calling him.
I thought you might say that, so we had him picked up.
That's a dumb move, Dave. Real fucking dumb.
Just worry about the plan, okay? Getting Mr. K out of the IAA station. Clinton is going to be positioned across the street, keeping an eye on the proceedings. Phillips flies you in, you rappel down, make the extraction.
And I'm the best guy you got for this.
With you, we've got good leverage.
Great. And you brought Trevor in. We're telling him I'm all cozy with the FIB.
You'll need discreet support. We'll maintain control of the situation.
Discreet? Control? Good luck controlling discreet Trevor. Now, I wonder how controllable and discreet he'll be when he sees the guy who killed me and put Brad in jail. You know what? You better keep a low profile.
Yeah, I think I will. See you later.
Who's that cagey motherfucker, huh? No, it's another cagey motherfucker, all right? Not you!
Hey, T, enough with the
We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown. Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I guess you gotta make compromises. What happened to dying with a gun in your hand? Life happened. Annoying wife, 2 kids. Remember them? You get tied down, you can't move anymore. What about your ties to me? To Brad? Those ties are why you got roped in on this FIB instigated suicide pact. For as long as it keeps me amused, I am. I ain't exactly sure it's gonna be amusing. We'll see. You know, you had me at suicide pact. I'm going in on the west side of the tower. Get us in position, I'll drop. I can't jump from here. Get us up higher. The extraction point is on the west side of the building. I can't go in through the roof. Get us out toward the wall.
You fuck around while I'm out there. I'll climb back up this rope and strangle you with it. Yeah.
Keep her steady! Keep her steady! Okay, here we go!
You think we can't do?
What are you talking about? I installed cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No. Oh.
You think you're? Feel with this is 18 inches deep inside. Get the lube. Actually, fuck the lube. Let's dry. Who the fuck is this? Terminate him! Close this problem right now!
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief! I'm not finished!
36 flow, I got you.
Hey, I got you. There's another... Hey, what's wrong here?
Help me!
Hey, I'll help!
Hold on!
Come on, get off me!
No shooting!
We got a window, T! Pull us out!
They're extracting the asset.
Ah!
We cannot jeopardize the asset.
Team! We need to be clear of this building! Hey! Stooley! I'm not leaving here till you shoot those guys! So get moving on it! I knew you were a liability, you fucking turd! Ha ha! It ain't me trying to shoot you, Mikey!
Help! That's it! Get us out of here!
Roger that! Whoa! Looks like we've attracted the attention of their air unit. Boogie coming at you, Franklin!
I thought I had the easy job.
You're in breach of the U.S. Constitution. Lethal force will be utilized.
I ain't gonna miss his ass. Hey, the chopper's down, homie.
Good work! I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the choppers before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying.
said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not a...
I don't care who you are.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You saved me. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
The Bureau, the FIB, they will make everything okay.
I'm sure. Don't worry, they'll look after you.
The things those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Yeah, well, that don't seem to matter too much. Put her down in the lot, Trevor.
Let's go. Where are we? Go easy on him. Thank you. Oh, he saved me. Hey, hey. No, huh? No.
Hey, I said easy. Oh, come on, give the guy a break.
Joint for traps.